What's up, guys? Just gonna show you guys a real quick tip on how to put your line on. This is what I do. Put a little water in the bucket, right? Hold on. All right, what you wanna do, right, is drop your line in there. Once it's submerged or halfway submerged, you're gonna start winding. This helps hydrate your line, keep it from dry rot, and it also increases the elasticity of the line. Let me tighten the drag up a little bit. At this point, you just wind it on. All right. Keep winding until your desired amount of line has been added to your spool. You still got a ways to go. I like a lot of my line on my reel. No more, no more. No more, look at that. Then once you reach that amount, you just simply stop, cut the line, secure your spool, and tie your favorite bait on, or whatever bait you fishing with that day. You good. Take your drag. All right, guys. Y'all have a good day. And about right there is about where I like my line. Any further than that usually don't work good for me. It jumps off of the spool. But that's about it right there. All right, let's go fishing.